begins this hurricane.
With Hurricane Barry, later Tropical Storm Barry, we couldn't get outside and enjoy the outdoors, so we were very bored with all the rain. So, with that being said, Jason decided to cook.
Let's make some tuna fish. How y'all doing today? My name's Jason. What we gonna do, we gonna make us a tuna salad. Why we gonna do this? Have you looked outside today? Today it's in the middle of a hurricane. So what we gonna do, we gonna make tuna salad, okay? Now everything you need to make this here tuna salad, of course the tuna, 3 cans. That'd be 1, 2, 3, okay? You're gonna need 1 apple. Seven eggs, right out the butt of a chicken. You're gonna need mustard, mayonnaise, garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder, and the best seasoning, salt, Coca-Cola, well not Coca-Cola, I'm drinking Coca-Cola. So these are your ingredients, okay? What you're gonna do, you're gonna put the tuna in the bowl, like comme ça, okay? Yummy! And you're gonna put your 1 apple. Seven eggs. There's different ways of making tuna salad, but this is the way I like to do it. So, their garlic and all the seasoning is to taste. Put a little bit, mix it together. You can taste it. If you need something, put it. Black pepper, just a little. All we need is a little. Just a little bit. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. A little onion powder. The best seasoning. Salt. Mustard. Me some more mayonnaise. Run to the store and get me some, honey. Never mind, I got some. You must put all of this together. Okay, real good. Now, like I said earlier, you might want to taste it. Want some? Freaking big bite. Pretty good. Honey? Do you want to come be the dummy? Toby? I'm like, yeah, I'll be the dummy. I'll be the dummy. Go on. Voila! Tuna Salad.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Oh, yeah, don't forget to ring that bell to get notifications of new videos to come.
Wait, it's not mine.